Tidio is a popular live chat and customer support tool that integrates seamlessly with Shopify to help businesses connect with customers in real time. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to install Tidio on Shopify. Log into your Shopify account. Navigate to Shopify and log into your admin panel using your credentials. Access the Shopify App Store. In the Shopify admin dashboard, click on Apps from the left-hand menu. Search for Tidio. In the Apps section, click Visit the Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to find Tidio Live Chat. Install Tidio. Click on the Tidio Live Chat app from the search results. Select Add App or Install to begin the installation process. Connect your Tidio account. After installation, you'll be redirected to the Tidio login page. Log in with your Tidio account or create a new account if you don't have one. Customize Tidio settings. Once connected, you'll be taken to the Tidio dashboard. Here you can configure your chat settings such as chat widget appearance, automation rules, and routing of customer inquiries. Customize chat buttons and responses that will appear on your Shopify store. Integrate with Shopify. Tidio will automatically integrate with your Shopify store. You can now begin using the live chat to engage with customers, answer inquiries, and provide support directly through your Shopify website. Test your live chat. Ensure that your Tidio widget is visible on your store by visiting your website. Test how the live chat works and adjust settings as needed to fit your business needs.